coordinate scroll will let you display values such as grid coordinates, latitude, longitude, surface name, alignment name, azimuth, templates, etc. To access the coordinate scroll, down in the lower right hand corner of your screen there's an icon on the status bar. If I left click on that, it will open up the coordinate scroll. Just double click on it, and you can see here, depending on where you put your cursor, the information will display in the coordinate scroll. If I put it over a surface, you can see that it picks up the surface elevation. The station is coming off of the alignment. Now if I go to my Project Explorer and I pick a different alignment, let's say I pick this one, you can see the station is information and offset is coming from this road versus the other corridor, which is coming from this direction. The same with the surfaces. If I pick the surface, in this case I pick a courthouse surface, then it's giving me just the surface information as I'm over that road surface, and not the surface that I have over here for the pads. You can right click on this and display the surface name as well as the alignment name and other information. So here you can see that it's, I can identify that it is the surface name of courthouse and the alignment name, so on and so forth. So I can also right click, do an azimuth and distance, delta XY, and even a latitude and longitude.